Magkaaway ba talaga ang Pakistan at ang India? Today, dadalhin ko kayo sa border ng India at ng Pakistan. Welcome to Wagah border, officially known as the Atari-Wagah border. The only road border crossing the India and Pakistan. It is famous globally for its daily, highly theatrical flag lowering or beating retreat ceremony. It has been held at the India-Pakistan border since 1959 and takes place every evening before sunset. Mapapansin niyo itong dome na to, napakalaki niyan. Itong side na inupuan ko, ito ang Pakistan, at doon sa opposite side na maraming tao na makikita ninyo sa right side ko, yan ang India. Ang ceremony na ito ay nag-start ng 5:15 PM kapag summer. Pag winter naman daw is nasa 4 PM. Ito yung Pakistan side. Soldiers from the Pakistan Rangers and India's Border Security Force perform synchronized marching, high kicks, loud stomping, and intense facial expressions before lowering their national flags and closing the border gates for the night. O, English yun, i-chat GPT nyo na lang. Mamaya makikita ninyo bakit nga ba sila sipa ng sipa, tadyak ng tadyak, at parang galit na galit sila sa isa't isa. Akala ko nga mag-i-split siya dyan. Ano yan? Pinalaki din ba siya ng sex bomb? So the question is, magkaaway nga ba talaga ang dalawang bansa? According to my research, as countries Pakistan and India have had a difficult relationship for decades, there have been wars, border disputes, political tensions, and periods of conflict since the partition of British India in 1947. These issues can create strong negative feelings on both sides. However, that doesn't mean all Pakistanis and Indians hate each other. Quick history lang tayo. Ang rivalry between India at Pakistan mainly began with the partition of British India in 1947. Isang bansa lang naman talaga sila dati, ang India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, pero tinawag itong British India noong 1947 nung sila ay sinakop ng mga British. Medyo malalim itong history nito, pero pwede naman siyang i-research hanggang sa nahati sila between India at sa Pakistan. The division happened very quickly and millions of people moved across the new borders based on religion. Pero kahit ganon, despite the political rivalry, many Pakistanis at Indians find they have a lot in common. Yung mga pagkain, music, yung lengguwahe dahil gumagamit sila both ng Urdu and traditions. So after the region was under the control of the United Kingdom, nahati na sila sa dalawang bansa. Hanggang sa taong 1947, India became an independent country at ganun din ang Pakistan, they became independent year 1947. It's amazing guys, makikita nyo dyan na parang pinapakita nila kung gaano sila kagalit sa isa't isa. Yung military or yung soldiers ng Pakistan at ng India, pareho silang nagsisipaan, nagpapakitaan sila ng mga hand gestures na parang dinadown nila yung isa't isa at nag-cheer yung mga tao ng Pakistan at ng India sa kani-kanilang mga bansa. Ayan yung border, ayan no, makikita nyo, sige, sipa dyan, sipain mo. At yung iba halos parang nagda-dirty hand gestures na din sila. But the anger you notice is mostly symbolic and theatrical. The soldiers deliberately act fierce and aggressive to represent national pride, military strength, and the historic rivalry between the two countries. Sa loob dito, pwede ka din magpa-paint ng flag nila sa piece nyo, diba? Ang cute! 10 out of 10 experience. Must visit. Dito lang po yan sa Lahore. Kaya naman don't skip Wagah border on your next visit dito sa Pakistan. See you again in my next vlog!